I'm very busy, I don't have time, I don't have time. Most of us say like this, no? How many of you say? Comment in the comment section. Are you busy? Are you really busy? You don't have time for yourself in your life? Is it? So you are saying me, in your life, you don't have time for yourself. Look at the statement. Who is more important? What is more important in your life than you? Than your health, than your joy, your happiness? What's more important? Hi, I'm Dr. Poonam. I'm the founder at Inner MBBS. Inner MBBS is the true inner doctor within you. That's your mind, body, breath, and soul. Now let us find out why we don't have time for ourselves. What is this? So I'm stressed, I'm busy. Do you understand this stress? There are so many courses and so many talks about stress management. Do you want to understand why does this stress come? From where does this stress come? We all think stress comes from doing a lot of things. मतलब मेरे पास काम बहुत है, इसीलिए मेरे को stress है life में. Do you feel so? That I have lot of work and that is why I am stressed. You feel so? Now let me break this myth. You are not stressed because you have lot of work. Okay? You are not stressed because you have lot of work. You are stressed because you are not doing the work which you are meant to do. You are stressed because you are not loving and enjoying the work you are doing. Or probably you are delaying the work which you always wanted to do. Because when you are in alignment, when you love the work you do, when you truly enjoy the work you do, time flies away. You can work till midnight, it doesn't matter. So stress is not about doing a lot of things. Stress is about not doing the things which you want to truly do. You have been delaying. उसकी वजह से stress आता है. Also, stress doesn't come from doing. It comes from thinking. My dear friends, do you realize when you want to do so many goals on your to-do list, what happens? हम सोचना शुरू करते हैं, करना नहीं शुरू करते. So before doing comes planning, thinking, analyzing, strategy, and then overthinking, over planning, over analysis, and my dear friends, वो list वहीं खत्म हो जाता है, मर जाता है वो list. Because overthinking leads to over-analysis, and over-analysis leads to paralysis, and we get paralyzed and overwhelmed by our goals. कि नहीं हो सकता है. And then we say, I'm very busy, I don't have time, I'm stressed. समझ में आ गया? Did you understand the loop? How stress comes? Stress doesn't come from doing a lot of things. Stress comes from not prioritizing your work, not loving your work, and probably thinking, overthinking, over-analysis. So it's all the mind game. So have you heard stress management is about? It's not about stress management. It's about mind management. So stress, the origin of stress comes from mind. ये बाहर से नहीं आता है, ये अंदर से आता है. It comes from inside, not outside. So अच्छी बात है ना, it's good one. If it's not coming from outside, if it's coming from inside, then who can change it? Tell me. If it's coming from inside, we can only change it. Nobody else has to change to reduce your stress. So the power is within you. Stress comes from inside, from our overthinking, from our mismanagement. So we have the power to reverse the game. The game changer is within us. The moment we have that attitude, mindset shift, that okay, what are my priorities? What am I really overthinking? इसीलिए the best tools in this world, even in the chat GPT era and AI, Google age, the best tools on this earth are what? Pen and paper. Pen and paper लेके बैठो, journaling करो अच्छे से, and you write down what is bothering you. What is bothering you? If you write down, you will understand that when you write, you will come to know nothing has happened. You are only assuming, presuming, and overthinking. So it's a loop, it's a negative loop which just goes on and on and on, and that overthinking drains our energy. Brain को उतना काम करना पड़ता है ना, सोच के हम सोचने से थकते हैं, करने से नहीं थकते. We don't get tired and stressed by doing, we get tired and stressed by thinking, overthinking. So, how to stop overthinking? If we can just catch ourselves overthinking, baat hi khatam, finish, no need of talk from Dr. Poonam. So take the pen and paper and write down exactly what is bothering you. When you write down, there are 2-3 things happen. You get clarity. Ki baba, main aise soch raha hu. I'm thinking like this. That is why I am getting the stress. So when you jot down on paper, you will have an clarity ki, okay, this can be done, this can be done, ye nahi ho sakta. You remember that chart, it's a very nice chart. Whatever is bothering you, go make two arrows. Can something be done about it? The next arrow, do it. The next arrow is, can you not do anything about it? Means it cannot be changed. Whatever is bothering you, either you can change it or you cannot change it. If you can change it, then go ahead and change it and do the things what is required to change it. If you cannot change it, accept. Don't worry. Finish. Problem hi khatam. So don't keep thinking about it. The things which you can do something about. If something is bothering you, causing you stress, can you do something about it? Can you overcome it? Can you talk to them? Can you have a solution? Then think about solution, not think about problem. If the solution is workable, find the solution, get the solution, finish. When you get the solution, there is no problem. The problem exists till the time we do not have the solution. The moment solution comes, problem disappears. So stress disappears. And when we have certain problems in life, क्या हुआ, इसका तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते, मतलब ये तो जाने वाला नहीं है, तो उसको accept कर लो. So if you cannot change some things, if we keep fighting, you know that you cannot change certain problems in life, okay? Some people, for example, you cannot change, and they may be your near and dear ones. You cannot just ask them to change. तो उनको क्या करना है? उनको accept करना है. Because the more and more you fight, the more and more you resist, the problem persists. What you resist persists. So fight nahi karna hai. Because when you're fighting somebody, that somebody is not getting affected, but though you are getting affected, your energy is getting drained and you get stress. So this is about stress management. In short, there are many other ways. I'll come up with some other videos, but it's all about mind management, and it's about doing something and not doing something. And don't overthink in your mind. Put it down on the paper. When you put it on the paper, things become clearer and the stress disappears. So do it. Don't do it on your mobile. Don't do it on your laptop. Take the pen, take the paper and journal it down. So how was the video? What was your bulb-on moment? And if you have any comments, please let me know in the comment section what else you would like to listen from me. Thank you so much.